pretty much rain every moment. Pitch the tent before it started raining. The rain is coming.
Good morning again. I'm packing my stuff and figuring out what to do with the tent. It's very wet. As you can hear, it rains, and yeah, not looking forward too much to this lovely day, but at the same time I do, since I'm gonna cross the Veluwe, and I'm here for that.
Yeah, I believe this is gonna be a problem in packing the tent, but on the plus side, I have new friends.
So the rain is not stopping, but I'm in a little of a paradise here, and yeah, it's too bad I cannot take too much footage because my phone is not waterproof, but damn. Things are not going great. The rain picked up. My front brake is rubbing, which is surprising. And I think the lube on my chain completely gone. So yeah, I guess I could have prepared better for these conditions. Besides that, the place is amazing, and you should all come here.
So, I'm taking a break. I'm in a place where they ask 11 euros to come in, so I'm gonna skip this part. This also means that I'm not gonna hit 100 kilometers. I have water everywhere on my body, and I'm afraid that my bags are not as waterproof as advertised, but I guess I will find out tonight. Drenched, and I'm with her. My glasses are not really helping, and seeing things clearly. And yeah, the whole thing is beautiful, but indeed I'm too focused to avoid obstacles on the ground and trying to see in the rain. So I don't feel I'm enjoying it as much, but so be it. So the rain stopped finally, although the air is so wet that it doesn't matter really. I think I'm gonna stay wet till I'm back home basically. I'm in this beautiful cycling path in the middle of the woods. The road is over there, and sometimes we come close, but we never cross paths, which is nice. And yeah, I feel I have to start looking for a place to have lunch, because something warm is always good these days. made it, and the host of the camping where I stay took a little bit of pity on me and say, well, you're the only customer, so why don't you take the big tent, and so you can stay dry. So I could leave my tent inside of the farm, and so that it can dry up, and I can stay here. All my stuff is on the ground, and here I have a bike. Here I have a small kitchen that I cannot use because I have nothing to cook. But I see paper towels. That's great. So I will give it a quick clean to the bike. Then I will repair the disc brake because that is rubbing, and that's not good. And then I will see what's left of my stuff inside of the bags because it's all muddy, and I'm sure my sleeping bag got exposed to the mud for a little bit. So, ciao. So of course, after 18 hours of rain, now the sun comes up and it's breathtaking, and yeah, all my stuff is at home. Well, at home, in the tent, drying up. I'm looking for food. 2 restaurants close by. I'm gonna have the most caloric thing I can find. My leg hurts a bit. And it's been a wonderful day. A wonderful, wonderful day. So the day is over. I had a wonderful dinner. Very caloric. And the temperature is dropping quite considerably. There is a wonderful sunset I cannot show you because it's beyond the trees. And yeah, it's been a very difficult day. Maybe not physically, although my legs are hurting, but mentally. I thought about quitting about 5 or 6 times during this rainy day. It's more the perspective of coming back and then having everything wet and have to deal with that. So I'm really grateful for the camping host. Eddie has really saved me because my tent is dry in his barn, and all my stuff are hanging somewhere in the big tent, including my sleeping bag, which is wet. For sure, he saved the day with his generosity. He didn't have to do it; he did it. It's a beautiful thing to see.